Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create Hotmail account. So first of all, go to a web browser of your choice. Now what you have to do is simply search for hotmail.com. Now go to hotmail.com and it will send you to the home page of the Microsoft. Now all you have to do is tap on the create free account option right there at the middle. Tap on the create free account option. Let it load. Now as you can see, it will show something like this. Now what you have to do is type an email address for yourself. Now tap next. Now it will ask you to create a password. Simply type a password for yourself. Now scroll down and tap on next. Write your first name and your surname. Tap next again. Now select the date of birth and follow these informations. Tap next again. Now you have to prove that you are not a robot by solving some puzzles. Now simply follow these. After the verification is complete, you will see something like this. Just wait for a while. What you have to do now is simply tap the continue button at the bottom. Now you are already signed in. All you have to do now is simply tap on this yes, because after tapping yes you will be signed into your Microsoft account. Simply tap yes and the inbox will be shown to you and your Hotmail account will be created. As you can see, you will be sent here. That means your Hotmail account is created. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts and until then, goodbye.